Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you how to select the best delivery and pickup apps for you for your Shopify store. So first thing first that we need to do actually is to go to into our account, and here you can check it out. Bottom left corner we need to press on settings. That's step number 1. Here we can see this huge menu on the left side pops up, and after that we need to scroll down and see shipping and delivery. We can press on it, and here from this point on down below we can scroll and see right here local delivery, pickup and in store and stuff, deliver orders to customers directly from your location. So we need a local delivery section. Press on setup right here and you can check it out, guys. Your location, you can see right here your location. You can customize it, select some other stuff and so on. But if you press right here, manage local deliveries, recommended local delivery apps, when you press on it you will be redirected to this window right here, apps.shopify.com, and here you can see best delivery and pickup apps for you. And quite frankly, there's plenty of options for you. 204 apps from which you can actually choose and select whatever is best for you and whatever suits you. So guys, wish you luck and see you in the next one.